It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes come to life and bring you happiness and strife. Surround yourself with those you hold dear as we celebrate another year. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes come to life and bring you happiness and strife. Surround yourself with those you hold dear as we celebrate another year. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness.
Boss Amy, Ma'am Amy, happy birthday po. I wish na you have a good health or to come, anak. Tsaka ang buong pamilya niyo po, lahat ay masaya. God bless. Salamat. That's all.
Happy birthday, Ate Amy.
Happy birthday, boss. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa aming pamilya. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Amy. Kumusta ka na dyan? Salamat po sa binibigay nyo. Umuwi ka na sa Pilipinas, mag-dinas na tayo. Pa!
Amy, happy birthday. Kumusta ka na? Happy 60th birthday. And more birthdays to come. More blessings, long life.
Hi Maring Ems! Kamusta ka na? Gusto lang kitang batiin ng isang happy birthday. Cheers and enjoy your special day. God bless always and love, love, love!
Hi Ate Emmy! Happy birthday! Ang wish namin sa'yo sa birthday mo, long life, health, happiness, at naway ipagkaloob sa'yo ng Panginoon ang lahat ng desire ng puso mo, and God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Emmy!
Ninang Len, happy 60th birthday. At sana'y sapitin ka pa na napakahaba pang panahon. Nasapitin pa ikaw ng marami pang kaarawan na buhay at malakas ang katawan.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama, love you. More birthdays to come. Happiness, long life, good health.
At dagdagan mo pa ang iyong apo. Paramihin mo at maganda. Pagka magaganda, pinadadami.
Dadami lang.
Oh, sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye! Good day, good night.
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy. I'm praying for God's guidance, protection, favor, love, and blessings to your life. Enjoy your day, and may the Lord bless you as always. Happy birthday!
Hi, Emmy. Happy birthday. More blessings. God bless.
Hi, Eme! Hello! Kumusta ka riyan? Happy birthday, ha? Sana mag-birthday ka na maraming taon, ha?
Ingat.
Ingat ka riyan. Pati ang yung
Kasama niyo dyan.
lola, apo, sininya, lahat ng mga anak mo riyan. Kumusta na? Happy birthday! Malapit na ang birthday mo. July 8, kasabay na kay Yuli. Ako naman, July 14. Ang birthday ko rin. Tapos, kasunod, kay Kyo Rogelio. Happy birthday! Ingat kayo riyan, Amy.
Hey!
Hello.
Stay good.
Hello.
Stay good.
Ingat, Amy. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy.
Birthday ni Nam.
Ay, Ate Emmy, happy birthday. Wish ko ang iyong health at humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Enjoy at ingat palagi. Salamat sa lahat ng pagtulong mo sa akin. Thank you.
Hi, Emmy. Musta? Kumusta na kayo rin ang mag-iina? Malapit na nga pala ang birthday mo, no? Sana maging masaya kayong mag-iina. Ang galang ko lang birthday mo iyon. Hindi birthday, bawal yun sa amin. Kumusta na lang sa sa mag-anak ni Ninya, Nina Ella, Nina Isa, at saka si Renzi. Naway marami pang kaarawan ng dumating sa iyo. Malakas, malusog ang makatawanan. Salamat sa Diyos. Kailan ba ang uwi mo dito? Miss na miss ko na kayo, pati mga bata. Salamat. Naway magkita-kita pa tayo uli. Alhamdulillah. Yun lang masasabi ko. Masayang-masaya ako kayo magkakasama riyan.
Hi there, my dearest friend, Sister Emmy. I'm wishing you a continuous blessing throughout the years. May you have many more birthdays to come. And wishing you always good health, good fortune, happiness, and joy throughout the years. God bless you. Love you. Happy 60th birthday again.
Hi, Emmy. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and happiness. Enjoy the kids, enjoy the grandkids, and enjoy life. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Sister Emmy. Happy 60th birthday. Hope you enjoy your day with your family. We love you and we miss you. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Emmy. I wish you everything that is great and happy and will make your heart light and at peace. I wish you good health. At least nakarating ka ng 60 na wala namang major na health problem, and that's a lot to be thankful for. And for the rest of the years to come, I still wish you good health, happiness, all the best, lagi. Miss ka na namin. So, sana bago ako umalis or maybe sa pagbalik ko, nandito ka naman ulit para makasama namin ulit ang buong tropa. Para kumpleto ulit tayo. So, I hope your heart is full, not only today, but for the rest of the year until the next. Happy birthday, sis!
All the best always. Enjoy your special day. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you more.
Hello there, Sis Emmy. Happy birthday. Enjoy lang. Ika nga. Feel the heat of 60. Let's celebrate pag uwi mo. Happy birthday, Sis Emmy. Miss you, sis.
Miss Emmy, happy 60th birthday. And welcome to the world of senior citizen. Pare-pareho na tayong may 20% discount. Di ka na maiinggit sa amin. Anyway, wishing you all the best, good health, long life, stay beautiful, healthy, and humble. Enjoy your birthday with your family. And thank you so much, Sis Emmy, for being such a good friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh. Happy birthday, Emmy! Happy birthday, Tita Emmy!
Happy birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, Emmy!
Happy birthday, Tita Emmy!
Happy birthday, Ninang Emmy. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and more celebrations to come. We love you, Ninang.
Happy birthday, Lola Emmy. Thank you po sa lahat. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Emmy. More birthday to come, more blessing. Ingat kayong lahat dyan sa Amerika.
Sana'y marami pang birthday na sumapit sa buhay mo. At mag-iingat ka lagi rin.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma! Sorry that we can't be there with you on this special day, but know that we are with you in spirit in celebrating this significant milestone. We miss you so much, and we can't wait to be together with you again soon. Take care always, and we love you! Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Love you, Glama! Happy birthday, Glama!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Glama.
Happy birthday, Glama!
Yay!
Happy 60th birthday, Glama! Uchu! I love you so much! Say, I love you so much, smile!
Smile!
Tim!
Yeah, right. It's smile.